Hi guys, this is Kashi here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today, because I have another product that I'm going to unbox and review for you guys compared to the kids. So I have Fire TV Recast 500 GB 75 HD hours from Amazon. So this is watch and record live TV from Amazon. So if you have an antenna, you can keep that, get the local channel on the air, and then it allows you to watch live TV, record the live TV, and replay the live TV. So kind of your own DVR. You can Alexa enable. If you see on the side, if I show you guys all the features right here, you can see ask Alexa simple to set up, even watch on the go. So that means you can have Fire TV app and that will connect to this and you can watch on the go as well. So thought we'll try this, get this one and go from there. What do you need is the 500 GB storage, 2 tuner instead of 4 tuner. They have another version of 4 tuner. This is 2 tuner, high definition 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. It has Amazon TV Recast and power adapter. HD antenna and Fire TV or Echo Show is needed. So I do not have Fire TV, but I have Fire TV sticks. So hopefully that will work with that. So let's open it up. Works with Alexa, so I can just take this out. Pretty simple. Take on the bottom right here, the small tape here. So take this out. Not bad. Alright, simple packaging. I'm gonna keep this right here. Simple Amazon packaging. Amazon smiley face A to Z. Let's open it up. But before I do, I like this tape. This arrow, and then it allows you to take it out. So this is what the packaging looks like. If I show you guys, this is how the packaging is. You got a Fire TV Recast. So let's keep this on the side. And then you got a Fire TV Recast. This is the, I think, the guide that you have. Complete, make the TV, most of the TV and all that. Cool. So keep this. Then you have Fire TV Recast. That's probably the installation guide. What do you need to show? And then you have a small box here. In this box you have the power adapter, simply wall outlet. You got the power adapter. Looks like any laptop. The power adapter. What else? Nothing else. So anything, there's nothing else in there. Just keep the box on the side. Now let's see. Oh, it's pretty light. Not that heavy. I was expecting it's kind of heavy. Let's take the tape out, the plastic out on this one. Okay. Keep this here. Now that's the top is black Amazon. On here you got TV antenna port. You got connect, Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet, and power. So those are the ports that you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. On left and right you do not have anything. This is kind of soft. This rubbery, little soft surface on the bottom, and this is here. This is the reset hole there. So if you need to reset it, you can probably press this to do the reset. So I like the look and feel. This looks pretty decent. Now for the installation, so it says I need to get the Fire TV app, HDMI media player, follow the instruction. So I have the antenna, goes into the antenna. Probably I'm going to show this here. antenna will go here. Then this is the connect button to PROM and the USB Ethernet port. I'm gonna use USB Wi-Fi, and this is the power adapter. So we're gonna use this, and I have an antenna upstairs. I'm gonna hook it up with a TV that already has an antenna, and then we're gonna see how it works. Look like in this picture, if you can see, there's some example. Antenna Fire TV Recast, and then I can have Fire TV stick, which I have. I can use that, or you can have Alexa or any tablet or any app. Alright guys, so I'm going to hook it up. See you later.